Wooden mirror frame, wooden rod, acrylic safety mirror, foam sleeves, bed clips, side armrests, rubber strips, screwdriver, wrench, long screws, medium screws, short screws. Insert nuts. Apply 4 adhesive strips onto the wooden frame at the designated spots. Peel off the protective backing from each strip. Align the mirror panel with the frame and press firmly to secure it. Inspect all edges to ensure the mirror is firmly bonded with no gaps or looseness. Align the 2 pre-drilled holes on the side frame with those on the wooden frame. Secure them by tightening the screws. You may follow the instructions in the video. Insert the wooden rod into the pre-drilled holes on the side frames of the baby mirror. Adjust the rod to the desired height. Secure the rod to the side frames by tightening the screws. Choose a flat wall without direct sunlight. Determine the height and mark the hole positions. 2. Drill holes at the marked spots. 3. Insert wall anchors into the holes. 4. Secure the mirror or mounting plate to the wall with screws. 5. Gently pull on the mirror to verify it is securely installed with no wobbling or looseness. 1. Choose the installation location. 2. Align the mirror back against the crib rail and secure it with the included clamps. Gently shake the mirror to confirm it is firmly attached. 4. Cover the exposed parts of the clamps with the provided foam pads to prevent toddlers from inserting fingers into gaps.